Welcome to Dirt Bike Magazine series Hardware, where we take you up close and personal with the trickiest builds that appeared in the magazine. For this edition of Hardware, we took Yamaha's freshly redesigned YZ250 two-stroke and gave it a complete extreme makeover. We enlisted the help of the crew at Pro Circuit Racing, where Mitch Payton hand-ported the cylinder on our YZ250. With the new porting design by Mitch Payton, we needed to get a little bit more fuel in there, so we installed a complete rad valve system from Boyesen. We used a Pro Circuit work style pipe, and we teamed that with a brand new Pro Circuit tie silencer that actually features a carbon fiber can with titanium piping. And to help us get all this newfound power to the ground, we installed a complete Recluse torque drive clutch. Bones Bacon in the Pro Circuit suspension department worked his magic, completely respringing and revalving both the front forks and the rear shock. We installed a Galfer oversized front rotor kit for added braking power, a custom set of wheels featuring an anodized blue rad manufacturing hub with silver Dirt Star rims and blue anodized nipples. And we wrapped those with the brand new Michelin Star Cross 5 tires. In the controls department, we used Pro Taper's brand new Fusion bar, a Works Connection clutch perch and lever, and then Hammerhead brake pedal and shift lever. To complete our extreme makeover on the YZ250 two-stroke, we used an all-blue gripper seat cover from Moto Seat, a complete set of Cycra plastics, and Casey Huntley from MX Dream Bikes worked with Flu Designs to give us a completely custom graphics kit that made the bike pop. If you're a fan of two-strokes and you like this video, head over to our YouTube channel and check out our premix video series, which is all two-strokes all the time. And for the latest news in the off-road industry, check out dirtbikemagazine.com.